Hello, in this video I'm gonna to show you the scope of delivery of the new BR20 AR radiator. This is a new BR20 AR radiator and it will come with a 20-meter connection cable. So with the 20-meter connection cable you have the possibility to connect the BR20 AR to your PI450i cameras. You can find on the other end of the cable a process interface connector, and you can connect your PI450i cameras via this connector to the process interface at the camera. You can find the process interface next to the USB connector on the back side of the camera. With this package you will also get a manual which shows you all descriptions of the new radiator. On the back side of the radiator you have a mounting bracket, and with the mounting bracket you have several possibilities to install the hardware. The first possibility for sure is to put the radiator on a table or on a desk. Another solution could be that you install the radiator on the wall. So regarding this solution, you have also the possibility to turn the radiator to the right direction which you need. Another possibility is that you can hang the radiator with a chain on a ceiling. Now let's have a look to the parameters of the new radiator. The recommended ambient temperature should be 20 to 40 degrees C. The emissivity of the radiator is 0.95. You can also see at the table that the accuracy of the PI450i together with the BR20 AR has an accuracy of plus minus 0.5 degrees C. As interface, I showed you before, you have a 5-pin connector fitting to the process interface connector of your PI450i cameras. So that's all you need for hardware for perfect measurement and an accuracy measurement for fever screening.